Kia ora guys, in today's video I'm going to be playing with the Juvia sprays. What's this one? This is the Berries by Juvia. All lovely purpley pinkish tones. It's going to be quite nice. I think I'm going to do more of a halo eye, I don't know. We'll see when we get there. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera and do my base, my brows, all that. And then I shall be right back and we'll get into it. Yeah. So this is what I came up with, this sort of halo eye moment, just using that palette. What I'm going to do first is prime with the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. Get that one out. Just one little dollop there, that's all I need. I'm going to go in and buff that in. I just like to buff it in as opposed to using a sponge because, well, I don't want to get stuff everywhere, to be quite honest with you. First what I want to do is, because this palette doesn't have any great sort of transition shades, so what I'm going to do is go into the Bare Beauty Volume 1 palette and just with a big fluffy brush I'm going to go into this shade just here and kind of put that around where the outer part of the colour is going to go, where it's just helping it blow out a bit. Just basically out here. Only because I found that when I was doing this eye, the lightest shade in this palette, which is this one here, is actually still not quite light enough. It's still really quite pink, but that's all good. So I'm going to go in with just like a normal little fluffy brush, and as I said, I'm going to go into this shade just here and kind of, I'm going to start trying to trace out where I want it to go. I'm not going to be worried too much about going on the lid because at the end of the day I am going to cover it with shimmer and some yet unreleased products. But so you can see that that's actually got quite a bit of pigment in it. I do love the colours in here, but they don't come across as dark on camera as they are in person. I don't know if you can see it, it's getting quite patchy just in here. See if I can zoom it in a bit. No, I can't. Okay. It's all good. And don't forget to go under the eye here as well. Is that the brush I was even using? Yes. This is basically just a base colour, because we're going to I can't even talk. We're going to deepen up out here and in here. Just kind of blowing it so it doesn't go too angular, just so it kind of goes more round. Yeah. I'm going to go in with that brush I just used before, which is there, and use that to kind of blow it out. There is a lot of blending in this look. So, once you've got it blended out to the point where you like it, which, as you can see, that's blended out quite seamlessly. I'm going to go into this shade just on this sort of brush here. This is a Bare Beauty crease brush. I'm going to go into this shade here. I need to come that way. Just into that one there. And that's going to kind of help deepen up this crease area. So again, just kind of get some colour on it first. But you can see that's instantly deepened it. by the way, I'm using my new camera. Yeah. Quite happy with it actually. I think it gives a better colour payoff than the old one did. It doesn't seem to be washing it out so much. Don't forget to put a bit in the inner corner, because although I've got this beautiful highlight moment going on, you still need a base for it. And again, don't be too precise. We're not aiming for the most clean look in the world, or clean application. I'm very curious. I'm going to find out how much staining these have. It's going to be interesting. Then I'm going to go back into that brush I had before with the first shade, the Crease shade, and marry those two together. I don't know if you can see the pressure or the way I'm holding the brush, but I'm holding it at the very sort of tip of the brush, just so it's a very light touch. That's looking pretty. I might want to blow this bit here out a bit more actually. Yeah. Right, so now I'm going to go in with a shorter, stubbier brush. This is my Jessup Deluxe pencil brush, and I'm going to go into this shade up here, which is the darker shade in the palette, and it's pretty dark. It's really quite good. And just this one here you might want to be a little bit more careful with. But you can already see it just blows out under there beautifully. Don't forget to get the inner corner either. You can see you can see that's all really coming together. Now I do take it up onto the sort of crease area. And just kind of keep packing on that colour just to get that really nicely, well, coated really. Then going back in with that brush from before. Stunning. That's, oh, I don't know if you can see it. Like, I'm doing this real time, so you're seeing how easy it is to blend. I'm going to go back into that medium shade here and just kind of put that in the all over the lid there, because I'm not doing a full cut crease halo moment. It's more of just a cheats halo eye, because, well, I can't be bothered doing a full cut crease. That's just a lot of work. What I'm going to do now is on my finger I'm going to grab this one here, which is the lighter one, and literally just stamp that on. Then I'm going to go in with a short stubby brush. This is the Bare Beauty, where is it? No, sorry, it's It's like the Bare Beauty stubby brush. And then I'm going to go into the darker shade up here. No, there. And just kind of put that on the edges of that shimmer. Going back into that colour there, sorry, the darker colour, just to kind of deepen that back up there. Now, what I'm going to do is add some focus, add some liner and lashes, which is going to be fun. For the liner, I'm going to go in with my Mecca Maxima Wing ink and literally if you can talk and do liner, you're a wizard. We're a witch. Yeah, they're not even at all. But it's all right. It's all right. I'm going to lower lash line. I forgot. Just tight line in here. Awesome mascara. If I'm going to mess it up, it's going to be now. I'm going to go in with my... Oh, you haven't seen these yet. Okay. Strip glue. This is the bit I always struggle with, and I'm going to struggle now. Oh. Oh, it was a struggle, but we got there. Now, when I said before I've got some unreleased products in this video, this is one of them. When I say unreleased, they will be released very soon. Get a load of that. Now I'm going to go back into that really dark colour, just run it up along here. Darken that up. Yeah, that's basically all I did. Boom! Setting. Oh, where's my setting spray gone? Gonna go in with my Wicked Cosmetics Violicious spray. Oh, I love that stuff. Honestly, smells so good. Yeah. With a brow highlight. On the nose. With this look, because it's such a dramatic look, I'm gonna stick with a very matte lip. Very nude. I'm gonna go in with my favourite one really. Just like that. I tend to put a bit of a lighter shade on as well. Gives it a nice little pout look, you know. No, I don't know. I think I need a gloss. I need something over it. That's better. That's just my Heart Revolution one. I've got a big drawer of them. So that's the look. You know, what do you think? Let me know down below. Let me know in the comments what you think of this highlighter I've used on the... Oh, did I just say it was a highlighter? Crap. This product I've used on my lid. But what do I think of this palette? To be honest with you, I found this one easier than the... what was the Violets one I used in my last video. I found this one so much easier, and the colour story is so much nicer too. But yeah, so if you like this look, let me know what you think. If there's any other brands and products you want me to give a go, any sort of challenges you want me to do, I'm open to anything. But yeah, let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next video. And it might be, I don't know what it will be actually, but yeah. I hope you stay safe and have a great day.